Hey you guys, so we are going to be doing a new subscription service unboxing that is not new in general, but just new to me. On my channel here, I do unboxings for Morphe, Ipsy, and BoxyCharm. I did do Birchbox for a little bit and then we canceled it. I just recently decided to cancel my Morphe one as well, just because I have so many brushes that I just didn't need it anymore. But if you guys are needing new brushes, or you guys are wanting to get a good subscription service to like build up a brush base, I definitely would consider doing the Morphe brushes one. So because I took off Morphe, I decided to add another box, and Try Beauty Box was the one that I was scrolling through one night and I was like, oh, that sounds really cool. So I wanted to give it a shot. I don't know a whole lot about Try Beauty Box. I do know that it is a bi-monthly subscription box, so you get charged every 2 months. I had subscribed in February and was waitlisted. End of March, I got taken off of it, and then I just got billed for my April box, which I believe this is what it is, for $39.98. So that is what we're unboxing today. You're supposed to get 5 full-size products, and it's supposed to be worth over $100 value. We're gonna go ahead and talk more about what's inside the box. So let's get into it. So this is what the box looks like. It just came through USPS, and I will say that this is a really early box to have gotten. I haven't received any of my other subscription boxes, so that's really cool to see that it came really quickly. So here is the very first thing you get is the card, and then it's gonna have all of the information about every item that's in here, as well as what the price point is. So the very first thing I see, which I'm super excited about, I think this is awesome, you guys. It is the original beauty blender. We're gonna get this teal one, and it is called Let's Chill. Well, I have not bought a beauty blender in so long, you guys, so I'm actually really excited about this. I have a bunch of the beauty sponges from Real Techniques, but I don't have very many. I think I only have one left. The next thing I have in here is by Rhode Isle. I want to say it's Rhode Isle, right? I've heard of this brand before. And it is the Glam O Brow Precision Eye Pencil, and the shade that they gave me, Dark Ash Brown. So it's just a really fine tip brow pencil. That is the shade Dark Brown right there. It has a spoolie on one end and then the small fine tip on the other. So this here is supposed to retail for $26. Okay. So the next thing we have is by the Balm, and I love the Balm, you guys. This here is Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. How cute is that packaging? And so it has that little cardboard protector, and then once you open it, this is what it looks like. All right. This is going to be a great product to have, especially here coming up in the next couple months. They say that this retails for $20. The other thing I have in the box, which I'm going to tell you right now, I think is definitely going to be worth the product, this and then the beauty blender, is the Manizer Sisters The Luminizing Collection. And it's going to have the Mary Lou, Cindy Lou, and Betty Lou. I actually have all of these in individual compacts, but I like the idea of having this like this because I've gone through 2 of my Mary Lou Manizers and they always break, and they're really, really great formulas. Mary Lou. Then we have Cindy Lou, which has got more of like a pink shift to it, which is right here. And then the last one is Betty Lou, which is more of like your bronzier shade. I don't use Betty Lou as much, but I do use Mary Lou and Cindy Lou. So that is great because I already know what the formula is like. I know for a fact I would use this. It is by Bellapierre Cosmetics. It is the 12 color Pro Lip Palette. Oh, not a fan of Pro Lip Palettes. I have a few of them. I don't get any use out of them, but I think if you are an MUA, this would definitely be something beneficial towards you. Here are the shades, and you do get a little brow brush to come along with it. Let's see. We got Envy. Whoa, that is pigmented though. But this is Envy. That is pigmented though. I had low hopes for this. I'm going to tell you that right now. It's not easy to do with nails. Wow, do you see that? And then let's do this cherry on top, which is this like red tinted one. This is actually really pigmented in my opinion, comparably to some of the other lip kits I have, which have more of a sheer finish and you have to build it up. But this is pretty pigmented. So those are the 5 products that I got in my box. Now, I will say that when I first opened it, I was super excited about this box already just because the Beauty Blender and then having the Balm products. Like, I love the Balm, and this together was definitely worth the box alone. So I do like that I got some like name brand stuff that I know of and things that I know from brands that I really, really like. As for the Bellapierre lip palette, it says that it's worth $50. I personally don't see it being worth $50. I've definitely seen Bellapierre at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, and those places. So I would never put a worth of that at $50, but hey, that's just me. That's just me. So I'm gonna hold on to this box for another month. We'll go ahead and check it out. Let me know down below if you guys are subscribed to Try Beauty, and maybe if you were or you've been thinking about it. If you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will stay and subscribe. I do monthly unboxings of different subscription boxes already, and I do a lot of reviews and tutorials and stuff like that. So anyways, let me know down below what you guys' thoughts are, and if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to see me do another unboxing of it again, give this video a thumbs up. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I do upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 6 p.m. if you guys didn't know. So I will see you guys all on Thursday. Bye.